Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every single day. Elon Musk learned rocket science from books. And Mukesh Ambani, worth over 8,30,000 crore rupees, credits his strategic thinking to just a handful of texts. Research from Thomas Corley shows 88% of self-made billionaires read at least 30 minutes daily. What are they reading that you're not? 5 books. That's it. 5 books that will completely shatter how you see reality, money, and your own potential. In 1988, a paralyzed physicist named Stephen Hawking published A Brief History of Time, a book that sold over 2.5 crore copies worldwide. The shocking part? Most people who bought it never finished it. But the ones who did, physicists, CEOs, tech founders, describe it as a mental operating system upgrade. It teaches you that time itself is not fixed. That the universe began 13.8 billion years ago from literally nothing. And if nothing can become everything, so can you. Here's a number that will terrify you. Humans make over 35,000 decisions every single day, and 98% of them are completely irrational. Daniel Kahneman won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2002 proving this in Thinking, Fast and Slow. This book exposed why Indians lose over 75,000 crore rupees annually in bad stock market decisions driven purely by emotion. Your brain has 2 systems, one fast and dangerous, one slow and powerful. Billionaires have trained themselves to live in system 2. You haven't. Yet. Richard Dawkins dropped a bomb in 1976 that scientists are still arguing about today. The selfish gene revealed that you, your entire body, your ambitions, your love, are just a survival machine built by your DNA. Brutal, right? But here's the wealth angle nobody talks about. Once you understand that your genes are programmed for short-term survival, not long-term wealth creation, you can hack that programming. Every billionaire on Forbes' list has, consciously or not, overridden their genetic default settings. This book shows you how. Yuval Noah Harari's Sapiens reveals something so disturbing that Mark Zuckerberg made it his book club pick in 2015. The shocking truth? Money is a collective hallucination. That 500 rupee note in your pocket has zero real value. It only works because 140 crore Indians collectively believe it does. And here's what that means for you in 2024. The person who understands how mass belief systems are created and manipulated, crypto, AI stocks, startup valuations, is the one who gets rich first. Always. Brian Greene's The Elegant Universe introduced string theory to the world in 1999 and accidentally became the most important business book nobody categorized as one. Here's why. String theory suggests there are 11 dimensions of reality we cannot see. Scientists at CERN spent 75,000 crore rupees building the Large Hadron Collider to find them. The lesson for entrepreneurs? The most valuable opportunities are always invisible to the majority. Amazon was invisible in 1997. Bitcoin was invisible in 2010. What's invisible to you right now? So what's the pattern connecting all 5 books? Every single one destroys a lie you were told in school. That time is fixed, lie. That you're rational, lie. That your instincts are trustworthy, lie. That money is real, lie. That the visible world is all there is, the biggest lie of all. The people running this planet, Ambani, Gates, Musk, they operate on a completely different version of reality. These 5 books are their source code. And you can download it for less than 2,000 rupees. Now here's the India angle that nobody is talking about. India produces 15 lakh engineering graduates every year, but less than 3% read even one non-textbook per month. Meanwhile, the top 1% of Indian earners, those making above 50 lakh rupees annually, average 26 books per year. That gap is the wealth gap. In the next decade, AI will eliminate 13 crore Indian jobs. The only protection? A mind trained to think at the level of the universe itself. These 5 books are your armor. Start tonight. Here's your action plan. Week 1, Sapiens. Week 2, Thinking, Fast and Slow. Week 3, The Selfish Gene. Month 2, A Brief History of Time and The Elegant Universe. Total cost: under 1,800 rupees on Amazon India. Total transformation: priceless. The person you'll be in 90 days will think in dimensions your current self cannot even imagine. Drop a fire in the comments if you're starting this challenge today. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week.